story at this hour. Facing heat over alleged sexual abuse by Prajwal Revanna, the JDS is likely to suspend the Hassan MP from the party after its core committee meeting shall finish today. Prajwal Revanna's father, H.D. Revanna, has insisted that his son has not fled the country and is ready to face the law. Speaking to reporters in Shivamoga, JDS State President H.D. Kumaraswamy, also former Chief Minister of Karnataka, said Prajwal would be suspended following the party's core committee meeting.
Those people. This is my question. Don't worry. Why you so worried?
What action will JDS take on Prajwal Revanna?
Yes. Now, why you have to take the decision? Why you have to take the decision? Any proof is there? We will take it. Don't worry. You don't hurry. We will, because of the moral issue, we wanted to take some decision. But still, videos are there. Any photo of Prajwal is there? But we will not going to take any protection. We will not going to take any protection by telling some reasons. We will take severe action. We will take serious action. But only thing, government responsibility is more.
Sir, I have one question. Do you feel, as an uncle, as a family member, do you feel a sense of shame about this whole incident?
Just a minute, brother. Not only as an uncle, as a citizen of this country, a common man of this country, we have to move for that. This is shameful issue. I am not protecting any person. In this kind of things, we are protested. We have fight against this kind of illegal things. We are not for that. We will going to take
Prajwal
just...
Revanna will be expelled?
Yes,
Prajwal Revanna
yes.
will be expelled?
Sir, Amit Shah said
No,
this is a
just
serious
a minute.
issue.
Yeah, though this is serious issue, I know. Who will take action? Who has to inquire it? Government, who is running the government? Government has to take the responsibility to come out the real picture. Whatever is the ground reality, that has to expose by the government, not from me. That responsibility is on the government. Not only that, the video which were released, who are behind in that, that is more offense. That is more offense.
Sir, Karthik, the driver has come out and given a statement that there was no intention of him to release the videos. He gave the
Well,
videos.
that's why I am
He gave the
telling
videos to
you.
Devraj.
What?
Devraj responsible, sir.
No,
your own alliance.
Devraj is not responsible. I know. I have seen his reaction also. This boy went and met several Congress leaders. He has handed over that video things to Deputy Chief Minister and his brother. This, huh? No, Devraj is a responsible advocate. He only yesterday on some channel, he told about, I reveal everything. So what are all the developments? He only yesterday in our electronic media, one channel, he exposed. He spoken with that media, he disclosed that cassette was handed over to Deputy Chief Minister before I think 2 or 3 months back.
Sir, do you think DK Shiv
Sir,
Kumar
you
is
know,
responsible behind
He
the
is the main, if anything moral right is there with Siddaramaiah. He is an advocate, not only a chief minister. If any responsibility is there, he must dismiss this man. We will fight it out. The thing is different. Prajwal issue is there or not, that is left to the government to take the decision. Just a minute. Take the decision, that is the responsibility of the government. We will not protect even if this has happened, we are not going to protect even our Prajwal Revanna MP. But in this issue, they will not take any decision. I know why these people several times they have done like this. DK Shiv Kumar. Their only intention is to malign our family. Not only that, they bring the name of the Honorable Prime Minister in this issue.
Let me now go across to my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah. As you see on your screens, JDS likely to suspend Prajwal Revanna. So even as the core committee is going on, and we've heard H.D. Kumaraswamy, Prajwal's uncle, speak Absolutely, frankly, to the press, let me get a sense of what is really brewing insofar as the Prajwal Revanna scandal is concerned. Vajiullah, you know, we saw that H.D. Kumaraswamy is extremely, upfront about the entire thing, and why not? That is what moral turpitude is all about, and also it's election time. But what is really brewing? Because we've also heard Revanna, that is Prajwal's father's side, he said this issue was 4 to 5 years ago. Why is it being raked up now? There is also another side. Where is the proof which H.D. Kumaraswamy himself said, video is there. Did you see Prajwal's face in it? So you see a lot of confusion is coming to the fore. But as of now, where does the JDS BJP alliance and particularly JDS stand on this entire Prajwal Revanna issue? Vaji.
Well, Sudha, the first thing first, there are a lot of videos. There are not 5 or 6 videos which are 5 or 6 years old. There are claims that there are close to 1,000 videos. Now, it has been shot through a course of time is what we've been told. The latest allegations or the complaint that the girl had filed, in that she had said from 2019 to 22, the harassment that she has been facing from this family. So there are videos of that also. But if Revanna, the father of Prajwal, comes out and says that these are videos 5, 6 years old, then it also raises the question that if he knew that there are videos like this which are 5, 6 years old, then why did he allow his son to fight for the MP election? Why was he asking for a ticket for his son with the MP election? Why was he still an MP? Why didn't they do anything about it? Why was law not catching up if the family knew about it 5 to 6 years ago? But that said aside, right now what the JDS is doing, we just heard Kumaraswamy and how jittery he was with the press. But right now the JDS is at a hurdle. The MLCs, MLAs, all are sitting together with Kumaraswamy and are coming with to a discussion on decision on Prajwal Revanna, whether he should stay in the party or they should expel him or suspend him. As of now, the call for suspension is growing louder and louder within the party. And anytime soon, these visuals that we are bringing across is of the meeting that is happening as we speak, Sudha. So we are getting minute-to-minute breaking when it comes to Prajwal Revanna. And with at the end of this meeting, we'll clearly get an idea whether the JDS has taken any action or not. As of now, the BJP has a clear stand that they're waiting for the law and order to take its own course. And even the JDS has stuck to it. But it now remains to be seen what the core committee decides on the fate of Prajwal Revanna, whether he will be with the party or not.
You know, one question which has been, of course, you know, you are innocent unless you're proven guilty. That's there. But you know, the thing is that even the State Commission, Karnataka, I spoke to Nagalakshmi Chaudhary. She said she saw those videos and she was shocked. You're right, there are more than 1,000 videos there which have been circulating over the years. One question which everyone has on their mind is, why suspension? Why not expulsion? After all, this is the biggest taint on JDS.
See, JDS has clearly maintained that they are waiting for the SIT investigation to happen and the truth to come out. They are not readily the fact that the visuals that we see are of Prajwal Revanna. They have categorically denied it. So they have said that let the investigation happen. But on the basis of moral grounds that such an accusation has come up, and it's not a small accusation, it's a big accusation of sexual scandal. So because of these allegations are alive, we will suspend Prajwal Revanna till the truth comes out. If the truth comes out against Prajwal Revanna, then I think the party will mull over expelling Prajwal Revanna. But as of now, they have not decided to expel him from the party, but suspend him, keeping in mind that the investigation is still going on and the truth is yet to come out according to the JDS.